Tell me about yourself is one of the most feared questions in English. Not because it's difficult, but because you don't know how much to say. Here is one short structure that fixes that. This is for B1 English learners who understand English well, but freeze or over-explain when someone asks about them. Especially in professional situations or when meeting someone new. The question, tell me about yourself, feels bigger than it is. When someone asks, your mind immediately goes to, what do they want? How much should I say? Does my life even sound interesting in English? So, you freeze. Or you try to say everything at once and it comes out in a rush. Or you say something very short, feel embarrassed and go quietly. My name is Lucas. I live in English. Here's the thing though. A short, honest answer is always enough. The question is never as big as it feels. Talking about yourself is not a performance. You're not trying to impress anyone. You are just sharing one thing about yourself. Calmly, honestly, and briefly. Let's talk about the patterns, so you can give a great answer. Here's the formula. One fact, one feeling or opinion, then stop. Sounds more difficult than it is. Here's what it looks like. Listen and repeat. I work in a school. I enjoy most days. I'm from a small town. It's quiet, which I like. I've been learning English for about a year. It's challenging but interesting. See, these short sentences tell a lot. You may have noticed that the second sentence is optional, but it adds warmth without adding length. It gives the other person something to respond to. That's all an introduction needs to do. Most introductions are really just 3 questions. Where are you from? What do you do? And how long have you been here? You can prepare a short answer for each. Here is an example you can fill in. I'm from. I've been here for about. I work in. It's. Try to fill in the blanks in the comments. Introduce yourself with this sentence in the comments. And if you're not sure how to answer, I'm still figuring it out is always available. It's honest and it's human. Remember, short answers are real answers. Say it, then let the other person respond. You don't need to fill the silence. Let's practice a sentence. Tell me something about yourself. An example of a correct answer would be, sure, I'm from Brazil and I've been here for about 2 years. I'm still getting used to the weather. That's it. Short, honest, human. Then the other person responds and the conversation continues. That was enough, and it always will be. Let's do another one. Try to answer this question out loud in 2 sentences if you can. Where are you from? You may have said, I'm from Indonesia. If you can, add a little bit more to it. Remember, one fact, then a feeling or an opinion. Then stop. Do not correct yourself and take it slowly. English is not a race. To practice, answer one question about yourself today. Keep it to 2 sentences. Say it out loud to someone or to yourself. That counts. That's calm, confident speaking. If this helped, subscribe. New live lessons every Monday and Friday, with the videos every Tuesday and Saturday. See you in the next one.